at Powergen International 2015 in Las Vegas. I'm at the DTL booth with Mark. How are you doing today?
I'm great today, thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks for joining us. Can you tell me a little bit about your company?
I can. Well, DTL is an industrial damper manufacturer. Originally, we came out of the UK. We've been trading there for 50 years this year, in fact, as DTL for the last 15, 16 years. Predominantly, we've dealt with customers in Europe, as well as the UK, and all around the world, and service them from our headquarters in the UK. In recent years, we became part of the Powergen Valves International group, a great step forward for us, and we've managed to leverage on the network that they've provided for us and expand to become more of a global enterprise. So we now have subsidiaries in India, in Scandinavia, which covers North and Eastern Europe, and which you'll be particularly interested in today. We have a subsidiary in North America, which is located in Montreal.
Awesome. So can you tell me a little bit about what brought you to Powergen?
Yeah, well, we exhibit in Powergen in Asia, in India, and we've been doing the European show for the past 15 years. And of course, you know, we were looking to move into the North American market, and what better way to try and just get our name up in lights and on a big stage than exhibit at Powergen International. It's been quite staggering. You know, when we've come into the show, the scale is so much larger than the European and the Asian and Indian shows. And yeah, it seems to be doing the trick for us.
So speaking of the North American market, what products have you brought to the market?
Well, we have a very diverse range of damper products, everything from small butterfly dampers to much larger louvers, stack dampers, guillotines, IVCs like the one that you see here. We had a lot of success in the UK, Europe and globally with our products, very good feedback, and we thought actually, you know, it's natural progression to bring it to the biggest marketplace in the world. You know, with a population of 300 or 400 million people, there's an intense and ongoing demand for power, oil and gas, and of course the diverse range of industries that are over here, just begging for us to move in and bring our product range to this market.
Right. So how successful have you been in the marketplace over here so far?
Well, actually, we started the subsidiary about 18 months ago, so we've had now a full year of trading. Of course, the first year, as you'll know, is very difficult, a lot of work to be done, lots of things to set up, staff to take on, a lot of training, trying to get the name out there. But actually, we've been very, very heartened, very successful this first year. You know, we managed to bag our first $1 million order in the first year of trading for some butterfly dampers and louver dampers manufactured from special alloys for a very specific sulfuric acid process. We're just in the process of finishing up that contract, and so I think really it's gone better than we ever imagined it could have done.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about the strengths that you bring over here too.
I think the main strength, apart from the obvious products and the robustness of the products and the diversity of the products, the main strength with DTL is actually our ethos. It's the way we do business. It's the reason we've done so well in Europe and in the UK for many, many years. We're a bunch of engineers. We're not interested in just selling products. We're interested in building relationships. We bend over backwards for clients, and we try and engineer solutions that meet the customer's demands. You know, of course, we need to make money. All companies are here to make money, but we're also into providing solutions, robust solutions that last for many, many years. What we like to do is get in with the client early on, develop the relationship, understand what the client needs, and try and engineer something specifically for them.
So on that note, is there a website we should go to get more information?
There is indeed. If you need any more information, it's www.dampertechnology.com, and you'll also find us on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn.
Great. Thank you so much for joining me today.
No, it's a pleasure.